Back out here in the bush today. It's been a minute since I've been out here in the backcountry doing a little bit of bushcraft camping again. We're gonna make a shelter out of logs. We're gonna do some trout fishing on a river and cook up some incredible food. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun one. And I'm out here with Megan today. This is her first time doing a tarp/bushcraft camp. How are you feeling about it?
Fantastic.
First up, we gotta get a lot of wood. Got a new saw here. Shout out Kevin. We're gonna test it out. Should be amazing. So my idea is just to build 2 teepees, and thankfully we already have some stakes that we made for our last bushcraft camp. So we got 3 right here. I'm throwing everything, but we just need 3 more. Got the base of the structure all set up here. Gonna get a lot more sticks and build a wall in the back. And the idea was to get pine boughs, but they're like 80 feet up there. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be the case. Before we continue on with this bushcraft camp, let me share with you guys the reel that I'm gonna be using later in this video when I go trout fishing. This right here is the PC Fun Carbon X3. This is their new reel that they launched just this year. Now the upgrades to the Carbon X3 here is making this reel a lot smoother, stronger, and durable than ever before. The 2000 size reel right here weighs in at only 5.6 ounces, so it is ultra light. And it has high-tech CNC machined gears, allowing for super smooth casting and reeling. So if you wanna pick up the all new Carbon X3, you can go to PCFun.com and use code JFB18 to save yourself some money. But let's get back to the video. We got the structure of our shelter built. Now I really just need something to fill in the gaps for the backing/roof, and it'll be good to go. And there's 2 different things that I can use for the roof, either pine boughs or a bunch of dead bark that I can find. Whatever comes easier and or whatever I can find. And there's not a lot of dead and down logs that have any bark on them. And Meg's actually collecting a lot of pine boughs that she's finding on the ground. Apparently there's a lot.
Yeah.
So after we collect a bunch of these, we're just gonna start building a nice wall right on top of there. Well, this is my home for the night. Beautiful bushcraft shelter. The pine boughs actually are stopping a little bit of water, not really much, but it's not supposed to rain for much longer. It really wasn't supposed to rain at all, but you know how it goes. We're just gonna try to outlast the rain a little bit and start up a fire, cook some dinner. Got the fire going over here. Just gonna get a nice base of coal so that we can start cooking. On the menus tonight is steak and some potatoes. I've been looking forward to this ever since I planned it like 3 days ago. But right now we're just drinking some tea. This is actually pumpkin spice chai. It's not the fall, but it certainly feels like a fall day. I love pumpkins, in case you guys didn't know. The longtime viewers of my channel know. That's good. It's my first time trying this. Gosh, I love pumpkin spice. This makes me happy.
Doesn't it give candle?
It does give pumpkin spice candle. Just drinking a candle here real quick. Starting to get dinner prepped. Got a bag of potatoes. Let's cut them up. Portioned. Smoke. Nice New York strip and some potatoes. I'm so hungry, guys. It's like 9 o'clock right now, late dinner, but it's good. See how I did on the steak though. Potatoes are fire. Looks like a solid medium-ish to me. So pretty good. That hits, dude. Oh my gosh. Morning, everybody. Nice cup of coffee to start the day. It's an absolutely beautiful morning out right now. How was your first night in the tarp?
Kind of a dumb experience. Not cold until you lit the fire.
I only had to stoke the fire twice. It was down to 25 degrees. It's not too bad, but it's also end of March and winter's not going away just yet. Push this out of the way. Plenty of enough to cook on. Got the sausage all done. Time to whip up some honey butter bread. The Outdoor Boys legacy will continue to live on. Nice piece of honey butter bread. I haven't had this in so long. So fire. The sun's making an appearance too. It's supposed to be out all day, so this should be a beautiful day for some trout fishing. Also might be some steelhead through here, but not really going for that. If I catch one though, that'd be cool. Let the sun warm up the river for a little bit. Now it's time to go do some fishing, see if we can catch some trout. And all I'm gonna be doing today is just floating a little wax worm on this jig. With it still being pretty cold weather, that's probably gonna be the best option to catch a trout. Nothing at spot one. Gonna keep moving along though. Switch up to a little spinner now. Gonna see how this works. Well, fishing was a fail. It's time to cook up some lunch. Making some potato soup. I have never cooked soup out here camping before, but we're gonna try it here today. Never actually made potato soup either. So 2 for 1.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight. I can smell.
Well, this doesn't look as appetizing as I had envisioned, but
Looks pretty good.
potatoes, you know,
Potato.
that's hot. It was good though. It's basically just potato.
Oh, that's pretty good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be it for this video. The shelter did me well. I don't think it held up in like heavy rainfall or anything, but it did the job, and it was a fun night out here, just relaxing and enjoying beautiful springtime here in Michigan. Oh yeah, it's technically spring. Yeah, it's been spring for like a week. Jeez, this year's going by so quick, guys. Anyways, if you enjoyed this one, be sure to leave a fat thumbs up, and as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know